Hello, hello. Good
Hello.
evening. Good evening pero ang liwanag. Mga 11:20 na yata ng gabi. Pero ang liwanag pa din. Ayan. Kaya naisipan namin ni Habibi mag-ikot-ikot. Mag-walking-walking. Mga tulog ng mga tao. Keep quiet, baby. Keep quiet. So tell me, why ano? Why still bright?
Why? Because the sun hasn't set.
Oh, the sun is there. That's the sun, right?
Yeah, it's there somewhere.
This one?
Yeah, in that direction. The sun won't set until like 3 o'clock. 3 a.m.
3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, and then for sure it will just rise again 3:30.
I saw people
But
there.
it will not be dark.
I saw people there
Yeah, there are people.
walking also. So not only us.